You actually want me to dance also? This is my first fan fest. I'm not used to this green room.
Are you taller than the thing?
The first camera I invested in as a YouTuber. ये तो मैं हूँ. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to an episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. The hustle this week is going to be intense because we have YouTube Fan Fest this week. So rehearsals are going to start from today in the evening. This is my first time on stage at Fan Fest. मैंने कभी भी like ऐसा performance नहीं दिया कोई भी stage पे. And of course बचपन में annual days में दिया था, पर उसके अलावा I've never done any performances. So I'm pretty nervous. There are of course a lot of other creators who do this every year. This is my first time, and this is also the first time there is a beauty creator on stage, so it's pretty different. I don't know what's gonna happen. We have a script as to what like we are going to discuss, but usme bhi abhi tak like there are changes happening and everything. Today we'll have a little more clarity, and then every day we're gonna have rehearsals. So this is everything that goes behind FanFest. Since I also have a lot of other things to handle because with Impulse and everything, so today is my offloading day that I just have to give off responsibilities at Impulse, go get my nails done, prepare myself for FanFest. You can see my hair is not curly because I did try a new hair tool yesterday. उसका review already YouTube Shorts पे आ चुका है, तो आप लोग देख सकते हो. और ये हफ्ते शायद मेरे बाल curly नहीं रहेंगे because I will get it styled for the FanFest event. पज्जू का health update is that he is very needy right now. He's very like I want to do खुजली to my eyes and remove these stitches. उसने already side का stitches खोल दिया है, rub कर करके उसके कोन पे, and he wants to keep scratching. But we are going to give him painkillers and try to like keep him more sedated so that he doesn't get hyper and scratch his eye, because if he breaks that stitch then he'll forever have that mark on his face. That wound will be open. So abhi thoda sensitive period hai. My mom and dad are going to take care of him in my absence. That's that. Faji, I'm going to get my nails done so then I can khuji you properly. Okay? Okay, I go get my nails done. Neha Salon has a new location, and oh my god, look at the upgrade makeover that has happened. Insane. They've branded the whole building only. Superb. This is like 2x, 20x upgrade. Hello. Wow, lag raha hai. Oh my god. So good. I'm so excited abhi nakhun karane.
A few moments later.
Okay, super chaotic. After I came back from the nails, I had to do my makeup look. ये वाला जो makeup tutorial मैंने अभी shoot किया, that is going to play at YouTube Fan Fest on the stage because it's like a Mumbai summer heat से बचने वाला makeup look. I couldn't film all these days because मेरी आवाज़ चली गई थी, तो 2 हफ्ते का backlog पे मैं वैसे भी चल रही हूँ with all brands, but YouTube Fan Fest is literally this week, and now we are heading to the rehearsals. Luckily, it's only 10 minutes away from my house, so quickly driving to the rehearsal destination. This is my first rehearsal. I think I might have to dance also a little, which I suck at. I am so nervous. My anxiety is going to be at peak this week. Mount your coordinate for it gives me so much anxiety. I'm like just so on top of their game, and I'm like sick lying on the bed.
Susanna, now I'm trying just to learn the hook step first. Easy. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
So you're dropping.
One,
Correct?
two,
2. So 5, 6, 7. Or this give me a very pump. Chahiye tenu 4 bacha. Acha. Or this give me a tarifa.
You actually want me to dance also? Okay.
Just the hook step,
Okay.
then everything is just vibing, chilling.
Okay.
Then, or this give me no, not the first step. You drop your hip first. 5, 6, 7. Or this give me a tarifa. Chahiye tenu. And or this give me a tarifa. Chahiye tenu.
Okay, this I can move out.
Yeah. Just catch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Acha, I come in when we are transitioning from Lisa to Gurli. Okay. And then it's my full talking thing with
Music please. मैं आप enter. We will be there.
Yeah, the cue I need to
Correct.
exactly
Yeah.
get that cue. या एक बार ये रिकॉर्ड कर ले तो आई रिमेम्बर.
We'll do again.
Please don't tell Amit and Rigit and all
No,
that.
no.
They're gonna,
मेरे को ही नहीं मालूम तब तक.
they're gonna take my case. Till they see it on stage, I don't want anyone.
Surprise, yes, it's gonna be a surprise.
So tomorrow we don't have anything. I'm
Tomorrow
coming
you
to
can
a
chill. You
PR.
just come.
Tomorrow 2 p.m. So she said we can get in Kabibi. So I sent you a voice note saying that only.
Can we finish this outfit situation? Give tonight only I'll finish it.
Yeah.
Give it to the tailor. Maybe he'll do some fittings tomorrow.
अगर आप 4:30 से लेट हो रहे हो तो मुझे बता देना, मैं उनको बता दूंगी बिकॉज वो लोग पता नहीं कैंसिल नहीं करना चाहिए उनको, तो इन द केस जो लेट
But कल कुछ भी अपने को pressure नहीं है, you're saying?
कोई लोड नहीं.
Okay, then we can do our thing.
Tomorrow is interviews day, and then उसपे what you have any dress code? Normal. couple.
No, anything that you prefer, you're comfortable with, it's all good.
Hi, are you excited?
I'm very nervous actually.
I was thinking
This is
of-
my first fan fest.
Oh my God, do you want to say something to your post? तो आपका परफॉर्मेंस खत्म होने के बाद में सेगमेंट स्टेज खत्म होने के बाद में
No, I'm very excited, yeah, because I have attended a lot of fan fests.
Wow.
I've never been on this stage. And I have been watching fan fests in Superwoman.
Oh, wow.
Starlet Fan
Yeah,
Fest. So
yeah,
to
yeah,
be
yeah,
on the
yeah.
fan fest stage is like crazy.
नहीं, last year
Iconic.
we were both लगे थे.
Yeah.
We didn't think कि अगले
Yeah,
साल
अगले साल stage पे हो गया. So,
No.
thank you आस्था.
A few moments later.
फज्जू हेल्थ अपडेट. दोपहर को महाशय ने कर्टन्स में रब करके अपनी आंखों की स्टिचेस पे एक ब्लड क्लॉट था वो भी निकाल दिया. आई एम सो वरिड अबाउट हिज आईज राइट नाउ. पूरा दिन ये चे टॉय चलता है. You know, one of my subscriber was watching this vlog in the night and her dog got up.
Yeah, I know.
You saw the comments?
I saw the stories.
अरे फेंको भी ना. Go फजी bring. खाली आवाज कर रहे हो तुम भी ना. फजी bring catch. Now he's understood how to navigate with the cone. अभी वो पानी भी पी लेता है कोन के साथ और जाके मुंह को कोने में कर्टन्स के पीछे जाके छुपता है और उधर मुंह ऐसा पोंछता है. उसमें से उसने स्टिचेस खोल दिया है उसकी आंखों की. स्टिचेस नहीं खोला है, उस पर ब्लड क्लॉट था वो खोला है अभी. कल रीत इज टेकिंग हिम फॉर द फॉलो अप सो दैट शी कैन सी हाउ ही इज नेविगेटिंग थ्रू द कोन. पूरा फेस इज पुट डाउन. He's understood how to operate with that cone. Faji, show your eyes. Show your eyes. Show them your eyes. Let me give an eye update to Sara squad. What you did today? Over here ना यहाँ पे एक blood clot form हो गया था तो उसने पोंछ के इधर की जो एक stitches थी आप देख सकते हो वो खुल चुकी है. वो कल ही खोल दिया महाशय ने रात को नींद में और इधर जो blood clot था वो भी उसने निकाल दिया आज. Of course इतनी नजदीक तो जाने नहीं देने वाले आँखों के. Now doctors given like heavy medicines to sedate him in the night so that we can hopefully he will not scratch his eye in the night because उसको खुजली हो रही होगी ना. वो healing हो रहा है उसका. तो as the this is healing he's itching. अले वेला बच्चा. Smart boy. Fudgy's a good boy. Fudgy's a good boy. Fudgy's such a good boy. Fudgy's such a good boy. Today is the feast of Our Lady. So we did the Navina for 9 days and finally today was Our Lady's feast. So after my YouTube Fan Fest rehearsals, the first practice actually today was not even rehearsal. I went to the church. We went to make my outfit. We realized that I am in 2 segments, not only one. जो outfit मैंने plan किया था वो थोड़ा like not so glam है. So we will need a very glam outfit. So then we decided to make an outfit from scratch. Last minute all this is happening because I have been sick for 2 weeks. So everything is last minute now. It's like I'm the last minute queen anyway.
Later that same evening.
Okay guys, I'm gonna take off this makeup जो पूरा दिन से मेरी शक्ल पे है and I want to just tell you all कि आगे के दिनों में क्या होने वाला है because there's so much on my mind and there's so much happening with this cute hairband that Tarini has given in her Be Blunt PR kit. I have seen so many Instagram girlies use this. Finally, I also have it. Anyway, I'm taking off my makeup with the Beauty of Joseon. Words नहीं आ रहे मेरे दिमाग में. Beauty of Joseon's cleansing balm. I did a very foolproof makeup look today. I shot the YouTube shorts that will go up on the stage of my FanFest performance. So I'll tell you what is like. अभी तक तो FanFest हो गया होगा till you're seeing these rehearsals. So मेरे FanFest performance में this is the first time, right, that a beauty creator is on the stage. So what they've done is basically tried to give me like a dance and a comedy segment. क्योंकि beauty creators को कभी stage पे नहीं लाते because of course we can't do a full masterclass on like the FanFest stage. So how do you represent beauty? So when Lisa Mishra is performing, she will be leaving, and that time I enter. I dance a little to her song, and then I exit and enter again with Gurleen Pannu, who's a comedian, and then she's going to like make fun and like of my makeup tutorial while I also teach her to do makeup in a very funny segment. तो ऐसा उन लोग ने plan किया है, which I think is such a smooth integration. क्योंकि of course FanFest is for performers. I used to always think it's for performers, and beauty creators का really हम लोग हमेशा audience में बैठ के देखते थे. हर साल I have gone for FanFest जब से COVID खत्म हुआ है, and I have gone for it as an audience and I've watched it. And I've always thought it's for dancers, it's for performers. So this year when I was offered FanFest also, they were like, you're the first beauty creator and we really want you and everything. And I was like, मैं जाके करूँगी क्या stage पे? They're like, we'll figure everything out. You just say yes. And I was like, okay, I trust my YouTube team completely. I'm like, you know what you're doing. I'm going to say yes, of course. It's a big opportunity for me. Like, honestly, YouTube FanFest मैं Superwoman के ज़माने से देखती आई हूँ. तब से like on TV, I used to watch the live stream, and to be on the stage is like, I look like funny right now, but it's iconic. With the cleansing balm, the colossal bubble mascara भी पूरा निकल जाता है and gives you amazing volume. But you can't remove it just with micellar water. You need a cleansing balm. Next, I'm using my Bioderma micellar water. So basically, आज हमारी first dance practice थी, and they had of course asked me if I'll be comfortable dancing a little. And थोड़ा मैं ठुमक सकती हूँ, so I can do a little bit of dance. So that's why they've put me in this particular segment, जहाँ पे मैं लीजा और गुरलीन पन्नू के बीच में हूँ. And I think it's beautifully scripted, the entire thing. Because I've been so sick since the past 2 weeks. सब कुछ अभी यही वीक में मुझे करना पड़ेगा. तो मेरा आउटफिट अभी प्लान हो रहा है. मेरा रिहर्सल वगैरह तो वैसे भी सबके अभी है. Like of course YouTube FanFest has creators from all over India. So a lot of creators will be traveling from different parts of India, and of course when YouTube is having an event, they take care of you end to end. So they are hosting us at St. Regis in Bombay, which is a super fancy hotel. So that's where we are going to be put up. So from tomorrow I have one room for myself at St. Regis, and the practices are happening at the Dome in Varli, जहाँ पर event होने वाला है. Last year I think it was in Nesco, and they must have kept the creators in Western. I don't know. मैं last year performer नहीं थी, तो I was not on the stage. But yeah, this year it is happening in Varli Dome. So they are keeping us in St. Regis, और फिर रोज गाड़ी arrange होगी for us to go from St. Regis to Varli for rehearsals. पूरे दिन rehearsals चलेंगे, and then 11th is the main FanFest. So that is what the next 3 days are going to look like for me. Super hectic with rehearsals and everything. मेरी आवाज भी अभी वापस आ रही है, and I'm so grateful. I took antibiotics and I was just praying for my voice to come back. The reason I even took antibiotics is because I needed my voice back for FanFest. My voice is my biggest USP, and because I have a full talking segment with Gurleen Pannu, it needs to be there. My voice needs to be there. So I'm gonna use the Dermalogica Daily Milk Foliant face wash. I love this face wash. It's like a powder जिस पे पानी डालो तो वो face wash बन जाता है. It is superb. Like some crazy formula this is, and must face wash. Super excited but also super stressed because there is also so much happening as always in my personal life and Impulse. Personal life में फज्जू की तबीयत एकदम खराब है. फज्जू needs non-stop care, attention, needs to go to the vet. All of that Reet is going to handle in my absence because I'm not there. And मम्मी पापा of course have work, and also मम्मी पापा का ऐसा है कि वो लोग ना of course they cannot take इतना care जितना मैं और रीत फज का ध्यान रखते हैं, क्योंकि you have to keep looking at फज. He will बाय मिस्टेक ऑल्सो अगर उसने उसकी स्क्रैच कर दिया ना स्टिचेस, तो उसकी पूरी आँख की बैंड बच जाएगी. सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी अलर्ट. एंड टुमारो रीत इज टेकिंग हिम टू द वेट टू सी अगर हील हो गया तो वो स्टिचेस निकाल दे. एक बार स्टिचेस निकाल दिए देन वी आर सेफ. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट्स गोना हैपन टुमारो एट द वेट. सो दैट इज समथिंग आई एम वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड अबाउट, बट आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. आई जस्ट नीड टू ट्रस्ट रीत to take care of Fudge. Then Impulse का भी माल नहीं आया है, अभी फेस्टिव सीजन आ रहा है. I need to stock up my goods. एंड अभी तक माल नहीं है, मैंने कब से पेमेंट करके रखी है, बट माई मैन्युफैक्चरर इज डीलेइंग द गुड्स सो मच. उसकी वजह से पिस्ताशियो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है, 100 grams मौका पे चौका आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है, एंड फेस्टिव पीरियड इज कमिंग. दीज आर माई स्टार प्रोडक्ट्स राइट नाउ एंड आई नीड माई पिस्ताशियो एंड 100 grams मौका पे चौका बैक. सो आई एम सो स्ट्रेस्ड कि कॉफी नहीं आई है, सो बट दैट्स ऑल्सो नॉट इन माई हैंड. सो या देयर आर थिंग्स इन माई लाइफ हैपनिंग विच आर ऑनेस्टली नॉट इन माई कंट्रोल. इवन द आउटफिट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच जो बनने वाला है, मैंने सिर्फ फैब्रिक सिलेक्शन किया, डिजाइन सिलेक्शन किया, अभी उसकी फिटिंग पूरा अजहर के हाथ में है. And Sharon is going to do the back and forth from St. Regis to here. I actually told her to stay with me in the hotel, but she has 2 big dogs, so for her to leave them home is not possible. So in the night after practice, she's going to be coming back home, and that's when she will be coordinating with Azhar for the outfit. So outfit is in Sharon's hand. My stock, my coffee stock is in my manufacturer and Impulse team के हाथ में. अभी Impulse Coffees ये हफ्ता Impulse team के हाथ में. I can't do anything. I have to automate it and pray that they will take care of the company in my absence. I trust them, of course, but coffee shortage is not in our hands. It's all in the vendor's hands. And Fudge ki health, Reet ke haath mein and doctors ke haath mein, which I do trust them. But you know that mom instinct is so like panicky. Like I wanted to actually cancel my FanFest performance last week because of my health and Fudge's health. But Mother Mary has been very nice. Allah Pak has been very kind, and you know, with every God's grace, I have recovered, and Fudge will also inshallah recover. So calming down and going to do my nighttime skincare in the bedroom, eat some dinner, go to sleep. आज रात के लिए tomorrow morning I have to pack and leave for Regis.
The next day.
Okay guys, हम जा रहे हैं रेजिस. खाली एक साइड ऑफ बॉम्बे से दूसरी साइड लोअर परेल जाने के लिए हम 4 लोग 3 सूटकेस लेके जा रहे हैं. So many people are going, and actually the thing is आज हमको कुछ करना नहीं होता, जाके just settling in, because of course people must be coming from Delhi, Bangalore, everywhere all over India. Creators must be coming, so उनके लिए they have given this rest day in the schedule. But some creators do have rehearsal today. I have rehearsal tomorrow, so my day is all chill. So I have actually taken like some brand shoots, Impulse के sale ads, ये सब मैं अपने साथ लेके जा रही हूँ कि बस रेजिस के वातावरण में हम शूट करेंगे, थोड़ा वैरायटी मिलेगा हमको. या
I just love it.
Cause हम पूरा टाइम घर पे शूट कर करके you know I'm bored and there's so much.
mind monthly going to a hotel and shooting.
Like भाई तो कंपनी का बजट बढ़ा मैं. Alright guys, this is our beautiful stay at the Regis for the next 3 days. This is the other side of Bombay's view. मेरे को तो बेड पे जंप करके सोने का मन कर रहा है मस्त.
We'll leave in another 2 hours.
Yes. Okay, great. I don't use milk in my coffee.
This is what you when you need the Impulse coffee. You should have Impulse.
Yes. This is the bathroom. Hopefully I'll get to use the tub. There's a shower area. So pretty. I love Regis ka rooms. This is the full lower Parel ka view.
The race course, the track is the race course.
They are shutting it na. That's the race course band ho raha hai. They are making a central park like.
Really?
Yeah. That's the plan.
यहाँ पे हॉर्स रेस होती है.
हम लोगों को तो मालूम ही नहीं.
एक्चुअली होती है.
So we know that, but why are you saying it like me?
She is asking वो ट्रैक क्यों होता है? तो यहाँ पे हॉर्स रेस होती है. एक्चुअली होती है.
I know. The stands भी तो है.
You said no that.
Stands है, रेस कोर्स है, but अभी उन लोग देख वो रेस कोर्स को नहीं मेंटेन कर रहे. अभी it's not allowed. Now they are making a घास डाल के वो कर रहे हैं. I always wanted a central park, like maybe that.
Yeah, I'm happy only then.
Yeah.
So you will come अंधेरी से आता.
Then maybe someday I will be motivated to buy a sobo house. You never know. Reet anyways likes Lower Parel.
Yeah, right.
लोअर परेल का ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज इट्स लो, सो फ्लडिंग होता है इधर. हमारे एरिया में फ्लडिंग नहीं होता. इधर ओशन है, हाजी अली दरगाह, यू कैन सी एवरीथिंग.
नीचे वो जो अपन रुके थे ना 9th फ्लोर में, वो उसका वो लॉबी बहुत अच्छा लाइट. अभी इफ यू वांट टू शूट एनीथिंग
इम्पल्स के लिए उधर बहुत आवाज आएगा. अभी सब बैठ के ड्राइंग रूम में चिल कर रहे हैं. रूम में क्या थे, मस्त लाइट है इधर. लेट्स डू इम्पल्स के वीडियोस. यू रीच एंड यूट्यूब सेंड्स यू स्टफ. द वे यूट्यूब टेक्स केयर ऑफ यू, like I've never seen anybody take care of you like that. This is fan
My first
fest.
event with YouTube.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah, because उसके बाद we never had an event.
We had fan fest last year. We were not performing. Yeah. Bags are here. That was fast. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I'll pick this up for you. Cool, guys. Let's see what's in this bag. Fan fest bag. Let's see what's there. There's a card. Ooh, stickers, but the puffy kind. Subscribe, like, YouTube FanFest. You know what this reminds me of? When I had started content creation in college, they used to bully me, the other seniors, because I was a junior और मैं videos बनाती थी. तो जब मैं जाती थी ना passage करती थी through this, then seniors used to pass and be like, share, subscribe, like, share, subscribe. They used to bully me. And now I'm like, yeah, like, share, subscribe. I'm a fucking Regis and I'm gonna be on FanFest stage. And now all these seniors watch my content and they meet me. They're like, oh, we're so proud of you. I was like, जब bully कर रहे थे college में तभी you were proud of me. Anyway, we don't think of the people who hate on us. We just keep moving forward. ये क्या है? पिल्लो तकिए का कवर है ये? नहीं. Scarf. This is a scarf. So cute. Oh, like that bandana. पानी का bottle is mandate. Always. मेरे पास सारी YouTube की पानी की बॉटल है, जितनी भी उन लोग देते हैं मैं सब रखती हूँ. This is my favorite. I love. Oh my god. Cute. This is already with the charms. How? So cute. I love it. With all these charms. I will wear it tomorrow for my rehearsal. So nice. Thank you, YouTube. And a bag for my sabzi and my nature.
Sabzi?
My nature's basket.
Which sabzi?
Nature's basket
Bougie
grocery.
sabzi.
Yeah, my nature's basket.
Awesome.
Organic food that you all can eat the chocolates because I don't eat chocolates. The reality of having a business and content creation, जितना भी comfortable bed हो, पहले तो टीम वाले ही सो के देखो खराब कर दिया मेरा अच्छा खासा होटल का बिस्तर. मैडम सो गई और ऊपर चढ़ भी गई अपने गंदे पैरों के साथ कंटेंट बनाने के लिए. और मैं इधर चैट जीपीटी पे आइडियाज ढूंढ रही हूँ. डिफरेंट आइडियाज. हमारी इतनी सेल्स होती है आजकल बिकॉज यू नो दैट creates that excitement in people to purchase, that buzz to purchase, and we run a lot of performance marketing ads. So performance marketing के लिए ऐसे creative बनना पड़ता है with ads. I do whatever comes naturally to me, and then we use our Priya ChatGPT for more ideas. Shouldn't you show like excitement and jump out looking at that alarm? Not look like this is not a beauty ad. It should be like तू अलार्म देखिए and be like, oh my god, sale is live. Like कोई भाग के जा.
जैसे खत्म होने वाला है.
देखिए वो सेल ऐसा करके तुरंत उठ के you can go out also.
Don't get too comfortable. जो मेरे looking at you are feeling like एक तो मेरे को भूख भी लग रही है.
You ordered, no?
No.
What were you ordering?
Give
Room
me.
number किसके लिए you asked?
I didn't order. Room number I ordered for Wi-Fi to use ChatGPT. Even though YouTube has given us room value to order, I'm so confused. I'm like 2000 की एक डिश में नहीं मंगा. Even though I don't have to pay for it. ठीक है, अब मैं अकेली हूँ रूम में, मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं करने के लिए. आई हैव अ कपल ऑफ ब्रांड एसेट्स टू शूट. जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स मैं आपको कल बता रही थी उसमें से 50% ऑफ देम आर रिजॉल्व टुडे. मेरा माल आ गया है, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मेरा माल आ गया है कॉफी का. सो आई कैन फाइनली गो अहेड विद माई सेल्स प्रोजेक्शंस ऑफ द मंथ. एंड इम्पल्स कॉफीज पे ये वीकेंड हमको सेल रखनी थी, बट बिकॉज वी डिडंट हैव मोका एंड पिस्ताशियो इन स्टॉक, वी वर नॉट गोइंग टू कीप द सेल. बट टुडे my mal is in production and it will come to me tomorrow. So we are again back in stock and I'm so excited that finally my coffees are all back in stock. They give us sales, our ads, everything can continue. I don't know, like, you know, it's not a good thing to be out of stock. I don't like to mark my products out of stock anymore because that can also restrict your sales, because when people land on your website, they see something's out of stock, they'll be like, अरे वो वापस आएगा तो हम वो खरीदेंगे. So it's not good to be out of stock is what I have learned in business from people and also from my own experience. Out of stock is not always a good thing, so should always have enough stock such that जब hype हो रही है product की तो there's always sales, you know what I mean. I don't know if you understood. Anyway, the other thing is what I had to tell. ब्रेन फॉग हो रहा है बहुत सीरियस वाला मुझे। मेरे पास हाँ मैं द इम्पल्स की एड्स हो गई जो उन लोग वीकेंड पे सेल्स रन करेंगे। फज की तबीयत ठीक है, रीत took him to the ऑफ्थैल एंड फज की आई डॉक्टर said has healed and Friday we are good to remove the stitches also. So if we want we can remove on Friday but we do not have time on Friday. So she said we can come on Monday or Tuesday and remove it. That's okay. उसकी eyes have healed 70 to 80%. तो अगर वो थोड़ा भी खुजा भी देगा तो it's okay, which is why Reet is now doing his medicines and everything. Now I'm much calmer because Reet is like it's okay now, he's good.
The next day.
Early morning Reet's breakfast. This is the Indian counter. Your favorite medu vada is there. Reet ka favorite is medu vada. The chutneys look so good. I'm gonna eat less because I have to go to the gym. This is what I've taken. Pain chocolate, pumpkin seeds, almonds, mushroom. This is my breakfast. I'm gonna make Raat Ki Rani espresso because I have a long day of rehearsals. That's Reet's plate. Guys, I'm gonna make Raat Ki Rani espresso. आज बहुत लंबा दिन है. How sweet is this? So cute. So cute.
A few moments later.
Alright, it's main rehearsal day at the main venue. Dome Varli में YTFF हो रहा है मुंबई के. So we are going for the morning rehearsals also and in evening there's going to be a full performance का full round up. तो अभी गाड़ी आ चुकी है. Here we've got हमारी सोती जागती team.
जागती नहीं, फुल जागती 6:30 बजे जागती। ट्रेन में आए धक्का खा के which means जगा दी हम लोग।
और ये गाड़ी पता है मुझे होटल के बेड पे नींद नहीं आती. I'm in that category of people. Yeah, मैं literally रीत को बोल रही थी I was like घर जाके सो के आओ क्या. I know. I was धंस रही हूँ होटल बेड के अंदर and I'm like oh god. और पंखे की आवाज चाहिए मेरे को. ऐसा अजीब अजीब चीजें चल रही थी. 3 बजे तक हम लोग ये सब कर रहे थे, पंखे की आवाज नहीं आ रही है. And then 7 बजे एंग्जाइटी से उठ गई मैं. National Sports Club of India. I've never been to the Dome. It is a restaurant also, na? This Dome Varli. I have no idea. Oh, my photo's there, Sharon. Oh. Oh. Fan Fest stage office. The stage is yours. Oh my god. This shit is about to get real. Hello.
You'll have to keep it ready at one time so that we get access to it.
Okay.
Thank you. Green room.
Yes.
We met last year as well. It was in a hurry.
Yeah, I'm not a performer, so I'm not used to this green room and everything. You know, I'm like, this is so new for me.
It's alright. My girlfriend is a huge fan of yours.
Like, last year it was in Geo, na?
Yeah, JWCC. Where are you with?
So you're from the Hyperlink team, okay?
Yes.
You and Janvi.
We are
the
working with
same team.
Hyperlink, yes.
Janvi is there?
Yeah, I'll let her know that you're here so that you can meet her.
Today you're doing my on ground, so then how is it gonna look after the rehearsal? Are we waiting for the...
I'll let you know the whole schedule.
Yeah. Guys, these are green rooms, which is so new to me. Everybody's green room is here. This is my green room. मुझे सब मेरे viewers ने, creators ने बोल रहे, मेरे viewers ने instructions दिया है to vlog as much as possible behind the scenes because not everybody is from Bombay na, and not everyone can come for YouTube Fan Fest.
Behind the scenes is on Snapchat. We're not doing YouTube.
Vlog में तो देखिए करना YouTube के event में YouTube नहीं करेंगे.
We are doing all the main things. BTS is Snapchat.
Real time BTS is on Snapchat. Juveria's goal is to grow my Snapchat, so she's like follow on Snapchat. Guys, अभी time है तो मैं makeup कर लेती हूँ. Room पे time नहीं था. I bought my makeup with me. Let's do it quickly. This vlog is going to be so long and wholesome with a lot of things for y'all to watch. गाइज मुझे कल रियलाइज हुआ कि मैं 20 मिनट स्टेज पे हूँ. व्हेन आई टोल्ड दैट टू रीत ही इज लाइक दैट्स अ लॉट. तो मुझे लाइक जब इनिशियल कॉल हुआ था कंफर्मेशन कॉल कि लाइक यू नो यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू डू फैन फेस्ट, पहले तो आई वाज लाइक कि मैं क्या करूंगी. माय लिटिल रिएक्शन टू आस्था वाज लाइक व्हाट विल आई डू ऑन द स्टेज. आई एम अ मेकअप क्रिएटर. लाइक आई कैन डू अ मास्टर क्लास. I can do a master class if they give me like 1 hour on the stage, which is not possible because FanFest is just overall 3 hours. So yeah, that was not practical. But they wanted to integrate like beauty as a part. Of course, beauty is a very big niche on YouTube, and that's what YouTube wants to show, that you know there's a place for every single niche on YouTube. Like last year, gamers were also on the stage, and there was like this virtual gaming that was happening. So that's what YouTube is always trying to do, कि include more categories that anyway exist on YouTube and show them on FanFest. So it's a very interesting सेगमेंट फैनफेस्ट का जो आपने अगर लाइव स्ट्रीम देखा है यू नो अभी. बट जब इनिशियली कंफर्म हुआ था तो मुझे लगा था 5 मिनट का सेगमेंट होगा बस, हाय हेलो हाउ आर यू आई एग्जिस्ट वाला. एंड बट नहीं, इट्स अ बिग लाइक लॉन्ग सेगमेंट. 20 मिनट्स इज लॉन्ग टाइम. कर रहे हो क्या?
नहीं यही सेगमेंट आपके साथ एक मेरा ये सेगमेंट, एक और सेगमेंट है किसी और के साथ. बट विद यू आई हैव दिस वन सेगमेंट.
ठीक है.
तो मुझे तो बस कमेंट्री करनी है, तो मेरा तो उतना ही है. एंड
आपको आदत है ना, मुझे आदत नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं.
What's up, Star Squad? Give it up for Lisa Mishra. Are you guys having fun? Sharon, I have to beg.
Stand? Slightly. Ever so slightly. नहीं.
Outfit change, costume change.
Ready? Hold. One now, just hold. Ready? Now? Yes. Travel. 5, 6, 7. Travel. Hold. Yes. Now you stand up. And then turn now. 5, 6, 7. Turn. Now gradually stand up. Wait for her.
ये नहीं
स्लो वाला स्लो वो भी फीचर और अभी रुक जाएगा, यही पर रुक गया. और दुनिया तारीफ चाहिए तेनू, और दुनिया तारीफ चाहिए तेनू बाबा. Yes, sir. She's ready.
A few moments later.
Guys, look what I pulled out. The first camera I invested in as a YouTuber, and when I am performing at YouTube Fan Fest, मैं इसको लेके आई हूँ क्योंकि आजकल ये कैमरा का क्रेज वापस आ गया है. लोग सब इसको यूज कर रहे फोटोज के लिए. तब मेरे पास ऑलरेडी है इतने सालों पुराना वाला. ऑफ कोर्स इतना बेस्ट नहीं है अभी कंडीशन में, बट दिस इज डजंट सेल एनीमोर. इट्स अ G7X Mark II, so it's still a great camera. I'm gonna use it. मैंने लद्दाख में एक्चुअली इसके अंदर सैंड चला गया था तो लेंस बंद नहीं होती है इसकी. बट लेट्स टेक सम पिक्चर्स आउटसाइड एंड सी हाउ दिस परफॉर्म्स इवन टुडे. आज मैंने इतने टाइम बाद इसको खोला है. अभी भी अगर मेरा कोई भी व्लॉगिंग कैमरा खराब हो तो मैं इसको ही खोलती हूँ. What a baby this is though. Yeah, I wanna take a picture here. ये तो मैं हूँ guys. With my acne and everything. अच्छा हुआ ये फोटोशूट करा लिया था.
ऐसा कोई मोमेंट रहा है जब the entire world, it felt like entire world was against you and she was the only one who was standing for you?
Yeah, a lot of times actually. My best friend, and I think my support system is a very tight support system. Since I'm a digital creator, मुझे online बहुत सारे opinions आते हैं. So that safe space for me is very important, and that's my entire Gullian who's like always protecting me.
Many hours later.
Guys, late night rehearsals have started. We are all aligning पीछे. I am mic'd up. मैंने मेकअप वेकअप सब उतार दिया. मैं सिर्फ मरी हुई लग रही हूँ. मेरा गला भी दुखने लगा है. So I'm going to save my energy. I'm not going to give my best at the rehearsal now. I'm going to save it for tomorrow.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, ये व्लॉग अच्छा खासा लंबा हो गया है. तो अगर आप कंप्लेन करोगे ना इसके बाद कि मैं लंबे व्लॉग्स डालती नहीं हूँ, मैं लंबे व्लॉग्स डालती हूँ, आप देखते नहीं हो. एंड दिस व्लॉग वाज लॉन्ग. आई एम टायर्ड. आई एम enjoying myself a bath in case you can hear the water. मेरी आवाज़ ऑलरेडी, मेरा गला दुख रहा है. आई हैव गॉट Benadryl. I took a tablet of Alex, the lozenges, and I'm going to do a Disprin gargle before I go to bed. I'm struggling a little with the rehearsal where, like, rehearsal अच्छे से हो गया. Gurleen and Lisa were not there in the rehearsal, but I struggled a little in the sequence because मैं नाच के आ रही हूँ and I have to immediately host. So I'm like going breathless a little. Inshallah, everything will go fine. I'm really, really excited. I'm truly very excited. I'm honored to be performing at my first YouTube Fan Fest. I'm super excited and I will hopefully do well and I will see you on the live stream. अगर आप live stream देख रहे हो, अगर आप live देख रहे हो, अगर आप आ रहे हो Fan Fest के लिए, I'm excited. I hope it all goes well. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget a big thumbs up. मैंने आप लोग के लिए सब कुछ vlog कर लिया जैसे आपने मांगा था. So many people asking me on Snapchat के please vlog everything because हमको सब कुछ देखना है. And I'm like yes, I will vlog everything for you all. This is the rehearsal vlog. कल से भी vlog नया वाला शुरू करूँगी. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For today's video, Sasko Shah, Gulshan, Javeria, Nishad. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you're a part of next year's Sasko Shah, you know what to do. Subscribe.